Welcome to today's deep dive. We are jumping right into a rather unexpected source document today. It's from a northern Michigan company called Orchard Cleaning Services.
Yeah, the document is titled Sanctuary and Stewardship, the Orchard Cleaning Standard.
Right. And our mission here is to explore how this local business reframes household chores, taking them from that, dreaded never-ending burden and turning them into a deliberate strategy for wellness and mental clarity.
Which is something I think everyone can relate to.
Oh, absolutely. We've all experienced that breaking point, right? You're staring down this massive, overwhelming to-do list after a grueling week, and in a moment of sheer exhaustion, you just find yourself furiously typing Maids Traverse City into a search bar.
You just want the problem to go away.
Exactly. You just want it gone. But okay, let's unpack this, because what this document outlines goes way beyond basic sweeping and scrubbing. It actually touches on the psychology of how we manage our personal spaces.
It really does. What's fascinating here is how they elevate the everyday act of tidying into a concept they call the lifestyle of a clean home.
The lifestyle of a clean home.
Right. When you look closely at their approach, hiring a professional service isn't really about getting sparkling floors. I mean, it is entirely about cognitive offloading, buying back your time and your mental freedom.
Yeah, because the mental load of household management is huge. When you walk through your front door after a busy week working in Williamsburg,
Or even after a long, tiring day out at Sleeping Bear Dunes.
exactly, your home should function as a supportive sanctuary. It shouldn't feel like another boss barking orders at you, reminding you of the 5 things you haven't cleaned yet.
That is the core of what this company is trying to fix. The visual clutter translates directly to mental clutter. And it's not just visual, it's sensory. That brings us to their Health First standard, which has been their operational baseline since 2012.
Yeah, the sensory details in the source are striking. You think of a freshly cleaned house and instantly imagine the smell of bleach or, harsh synthetic chemicals.
Right, but they specifically swap those out for the scent of fresh, young, living essential oils.
Which I found super interesting.
It's a deliberate shift away from the traditional chemical-heavy industry standard. They use an eco-friendly, non-toxic approach because they are hyper-focused on actual indoor air quality. They make a critical distinction in the document. They don't just move dust around to make surfaces look nice. They actually remove it from the environment.
Now, achieving that level of detail with air quality and specific essential oils requires a very specific kind of staff. I hear a word like stewardship and I naturally get a little skeptical.
Sure.
Isn't a cleaning service basically just people hired to quickly wipe the counters and stay on a strict schedule? Like, how do they actually achieve that higher standard?
Well, that is where their hiring model changes the dynamic.
Yeah.
They focus heavily on hiring local professionals across Grand Traverse, Leelanau, Antrim, and Benzie counties. They refer to this as the neighborly advantage.
And here's where it gets really interesting, because it's not just a geographic detail. It completely changes the job description.
Spot on. The practical insight of that local focus is that these cleaners aren't just ticking boxes on a clipboard. They essentially act as observant stewards for your property.
Because they treat your home with the care of a good neighbor.
Right, so they actually pay attention to the structural details. If they're cleaning a bathroom and notice a slow leak under the sink or catch a weird, unusual smell near a vent, they won't just ignore it to rush to the next appointment.
They'll alert you immediately.
Exactly. That provides a level of peace of mind that goes far beyond standard surface tidying. It's almost a form of preventative property management.
Wow. So what does this all mean for you listening? Whether you live up in northern Michigan or anywhere else, the core takeaway is about recognizing the true value of your mental space.
Absolutely.
It is about taking a step back and realizing how outsourcing the right tasks can completely transform your home environment from a source of stress into a foundation for your well-being.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, we are looking at a total paradigm shift in how we value our personal time. It is moving away from viewing cleaning as just a mundane, repetitive task, and instead seeing it as fundamental home stewardship that pays dividends for your mental health.
Which leaves you with something to really think about as you go about your day. If outsourcing the physical cleaning of our homes can fundamentally shift our mental clarity and buy back our freedom, what other daily maintenance tasks in our lives are secretly draining our peace of mind? And how might we reframe or delegate them to reclaim our time?